Minecraft, but your time is divided into 24 hours format. Like real life, you can now put your time in Minecraft and sync your timings for the same. Hence, 12 hours format for the day and 12 hours format for the night. I'm using a plugin called Real Time Weather, which syncs your server time and also weather in the real world. Seems like a good plugin. I have used it before. I'm gonna set it again and also making a tutorial for the same. Basically, I'm using a custom server. Basically, it's not a server, it's a GitHub. If you know about it, you can just create project, run commands and everything else. For this, I'm using a different thing. Basically, now we have to create a new repository, and for this, I'm just writing the name called Minecraft. Once it's done, we have to create it private and make sure to add a readme, because that's how we can create a code space. Once you do it, repository, and hence now you are here. You will see the green button called code. Click on that. Now we are in the code space. Once you're in the code space, you have to click on the three dot, which will help us to determine how much RAM and basically what cores you can define. Here with options, this is called main. This is fine, this is also fine. We have to just keep it to 4 cores, and this is the 16 GB RAM, which is pretty good. Now once our code space started 8, now we can move on to make a Minecraft server. Alright, we are here. We have to click and make a new file, basically a folder. Here we go. So basically now we have created a folder named Minecraft, and now we have to download the server. How we do it? Basically our plugins are going to run in the paper MC, so we have to download the paper server. We just click on the paper server and go to downloads, and all our plugins are basically in the latest version 1.21.4. hence we are just going on, click on the download. It will download the files. I've already downloaded the real time weather plugin and tab. If I have downloaded a tab, I will let you in a while. Once it's done, we right click on Minecraft folder and click on upload, and then we will upload the paper one. This is the first thing we have to do. Once it's done, we have to run the command, but first of all, we are not actually in the folder Minecraft in the terminal. How we're gonna to set it? We have to write cd space Minecraft, which will help us to get in the exact folder. Once you're in the folder, time to run the command. What is the command? You're gonna find it in the official Minecraft server, which is this. This is the command. We're just gonna paste it, copy and paste. Where you're gonna paste it is basically in the readme file, so you can just delete this one. This is the start, just to name it. We're gonna remove 1 GB and we're gonna add 8 GB. Hence, to do this, we can just do this. Same goes for this. As you can see, why I'm setting it to 8 GB, because our server is running at 16 GB. So we can just refine half of the server resources to Minecraft, and other than that the server will run just as fine. So we'll just copy this command now, but one thing we have to make sure, we'll just write ls over here so that we can see what we have in the folder. We will just copy this and then gonna replace this with the actual Minecraft server thing, because this is the version we have to run. We're just gonna do it like this and then control V. Here we go. And so this is our actual command which we are going to run at the server. Once it's done, now you can paste it, and then as you can see, it's downloading the latest version. Like the patches, it will do its work. After it's set up, now we have to move on to edit the EULA text, because it's usually on false. Once it will turn it off, we will click on the eula.txt and we'll turn the false to true. TIUE, Control S, and then delete. Once it's done, we're gonna do this again. Click on enter. We'll start doing its thing, then we'll move on. Once it's done, we will just write stop and then click on enter. We'll stop the server, and hence after the server is done, you can see the plugin is over here. We'll add all our 2 plugins over there. Right click and then we will click on upload. Once it's done, click on open, and hence the server will automatically add your both plugins in the file. So once it's done, let me just clear everything. So as you can see, our plugins have been installed now. Let's run the server again and to confirm if the plugins are working. On enter, and then let's see. As you can see, the real-time weather plugin is activated. It seems to be working. And the tab list, let's see if the tab list is working. As you can see, tab is enabled. Debug set to false. I don't think so we need to do any change over here, and the server is running fine. So our server is currently active without any issues, but now there is one more challenge. How we are going to join the server? We need the address for that. How to set it is basically, and we will add the plugin, because we need play it plugin for it to connect. Alright, once it's done, we'll right click on plugin folder and click on upload, and we'll add the play it plugin over here. Once it's done, let's restart our server. After restarting the server, it will basically spam the link. The link is which will help you to connect. It will claim you the ID and the IP address for the same. Once you are done, it will show the command. As you can see, play it is running, it's enabling it. and you will see the plate claim visit. Spam it. Now you click to control and just click on this. Open this. Now you have already made your account. Automatically analyze it. As you can see, this is the one. We will just rename our agent. We'll keep it to real-time SMP. We can do that, and we can add on agent. Basically, it will take some time to check. You can check over here. It's creating a new Minecraft tunnel for us. And here we go. We got our IP address. As you can see, this is our IP, and it should not showing over here, but it's completely done. So let's start our Minecraft and check if it's working. Here we go. We are here. Let's just add our IP address, and boom. As you can see here, just connect through it and let's check if it syncs to our actual world time or not. Currently it's afternoon over here, so basically it should be, the sun should be at the medium, the top. It completely load before, because we'll do a little bit of buffering thing. Yep, as you can see, it's over here. Let's check the tab. Here we go. Currently at the tab it's showing 7 AM, which is not the correct time. But I know at the world it's currently syncing with the time. We can fix that also. But first of all, let's check. Sun is moving quite fast. Let's go a little bit to let's check if it actually do the night thing or not. So I'll play for a while to confirm. And that's strange. The sun should not be here at this time. Seems like the plugin is not working. I need to check what I can do. Oh, this thingy, dude. Armadillo. I need the sheep right now because I don't know if it's night time. I need to make a bet, but that's not a thing. A thing is different. Should not be this time right now. 7:04 AM is basically the time it's syncing with the server time. Hence the location. So we need to fix that later on. This is not what I want to make. Yep, I don't think so it's working. I need to fix it. It's going to be night in no time. I think it's usually 10 minutes in Minecraft for both morning and night. So we gotta figure out how it's going to work. Excuse me. I think I see a village. I might be wrong. Yeah, it's going to be night time. I don't want it to happen. Anyways, let's just fix it real quick. Let's just fix it. I will stop the server, and basically now the real-time weather stuff has been created. It should be what it's called, config file. So we're gonna check the config file real quick. So yeah, send time is false. I don't know why it's false. We need to change it to true. Here we go. So this is all true. Time still call words is set to true. Okay. Time sync interval is also fine. One thing we had to do is we have to make sure the system time basically syncing the actual time of the server location. So the tab list is not showing our system time, which is not a good thing. How are we gonna do it? We basically need to, oh yeah, one more thing. We have to make sure the server actually sync the time with our Indian location. For this, I will go to plugin config.yl. So we have to find out which location it should be doing this. Yeah, so ATC UTC, that's not a good thing. That's basically for a different location. Alright, so basically the time zone set to ETC UTC, which I have to change it to Asia Kolkata, because this is time I have in right now. Once it's done, we have to change the tab list, tab config YML, and change the offset to 5.5. I will write offset over here. As you can see, the offset is 0, which is a default one. Why I'm changing it to 5.5 is basically the tab list doesn't really send the time with the actual system time, which is 12:41 right now. So 5.5 is like, I don't know, a default command for it to work. Alright, once it's all done, we hopefully should be working fine. Let's click on enter. We have copy pasted the command to start the server, and real-time weather tab play it. As you can see, 3 plugins are over here and present. It's hopefully should be working fine. Alright, let's just refresh just to confirm. Here we go, we got the ping. Let's join. Yep, as you can see, it's over on the top, and I don't think so it's moving. Yeah, it's like frozen in time. This means it's working. I have to confirm one more thing. Is the server time is matching the system time or not? Here we go, 12:42 PM. It's literally matching the system time right now. Hence the date is also matching. 12:42, 12:42. That's the perfections. Once you are all done, best thing about is you can literally enjoy it like this. In the daytime you can do more work. The night time you have just to keep yourself safe. I don't know, there are many things, many ideas you can do over here. Let's just add shader. I want to see how it works. Alright, here we are in Minecraft, and here we go. Looks like a bright sun. Yep, it's afternoon. just like in real world right now. If I click on F11, 12:49 p.m. is over here right now, as you can see, and hence same time in Minecraft, which is going to sync every time I'm going to join in. So once it's night in real life, they're gonna be same time in Minecraft. Oh boy, look at this. Did it just fall? No. Yeah, it's kind of laggy though, of course. Shaders for not built for my laptop. Ain't got any graphic card, so don't judge me. Let's try different shaders. Yep, at least this is not that bright. Sun is round, illegal in Minecraft. So that's how it is. Here we are in BSL. Upna shaders of all time. I'm going to disable it. Too much lag. I don't want this amount of lag. Anyways, let me know what you guys think about it. I will need the clouds are good. Here we go. Time is in 12:51, pretty much just like the actual time. I don't know about the weather. The weather should be fine. I hope it's matched. Currently it's clear in our area, so I assume that's how it is until it rains. Then it should be raining in Minecraft also. Alright, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you need any help, just ask me. I will help you. Watching. Have a great day ahead.